Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Chandurkar. I'm basically from Nagpur district of Maharashtra. I did my bachelor's and master's in commerce from RTM Nagpur University, and I did search. After that, I was searching for jobs. At that time, I know about the eVision Technosum Private Limited. So eVision is an excellent online platform to grab your career in IT domains, and it has been in when I joined in the eVision. It has been the 45 days of internships, and I once I completed that internships, I get the job in CTDI with a salary of 3.24 LPM. To face the interview, that interview sessions prepare us for the challenges as well as to show our qualities in front of interviewers, and this develops our confidence level in ourselves. Thank you for eVision to give that opportunity to introduce ourselves in IT sectors. Thank you so much.